Dreaming of becoming doctors, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Haba jubab yak jingali gilar pathai khubor halo Jingpyrshah ban shnai yak Shillong Ropeway project uba polungdo MLA West Shillong ban menteri barim kutra tourism ka sarkar jilla hak lai phoi trek naitung archa penrio long ba umla ban Sngewthuh yak bahalandat jong Jingpyrshah khamtam Hadien Snem Shiteng bal dabbo maunong rem yak project kumur chkdo yak project labu maunong rem dak president gri India hau klalangkot arja apsaw Nalor kini buat pol loong bayi kini ke projek sedang nak Jingpyrshah kerai laban dorbar pelun ber ajeng kershan ru du MLA ke South Shillong ubah asan bor Sulai dak bakdo bak Ropeway projek la ai kami ki nongsong stong ke tan katai kamshna bat jingtai buat pol loong bakan pen metoi ki nong rap hak kit ka ba yakim rap chungki.
Let us not forget that this project was also a major initiative and requests made by number one, the Raj Laban Lun, which we believe combines is a conglomeration of all the Rashnoms of that area. One, two, the project was also proactively supported by the elected representative of that area, Satwa Sulai, and three, once work started on the ground, a lot of local masons, residents of Laos Otun, for instance, were engaged in labor. Now, for somebody to suddenly realize after 2.5 years that this is bad, I don't understand the logic of it all. I do not know what is the agenda behind the opposition, but please rest assured that this is a project that is going to benefit not just tourists, not only facilitate a speedy movement of tourists, but also those farmers who will be able to ferry the produce in a record time of 3 minutes from the base to the top of the Shillong Peak. It is going to be the first of its kind in the country in a hill station, and the model adopted is also equivalent to what we have in the Alps in Switzerland. And if a project of that scale has had any negative effect on the Alps, we would have known by now. So you will always have critics, and the problem with a lot of people is that they first close their minds, and after that they open their mouths. You are talking of a number of how many people? Yesterday I watched the comments, and one local resident stated that I stay in this area and these monkeys have been pestering us for the past 15 years. So how do you put the blame on the Ropeway project today? That the entire dossier of documents. Each document was then forwarded to the ministry, which is why it has finally received the stamp of approval of the Ministry of Forest and Environment. And it's not a matter of joke that a ministry of that caliber agreeing to the proposal and then inviting the first citizen of the country. Do you think the President of India would not have got everything cross-checked so that her name will not be dragged into a controversy? How would she benefit if this project besmirches her name and her stature as President of India?
Hadien, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F. ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte yekamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau khau kam lo ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.